Hi, my name is Elizabeth Reynolds. I'm a health educator for WVU Extension Family Nutrition Program. And today we're going to demonstrate a recipe called strawberry s'mores. It's fun, it's easy, and it's very nutritious. So first of all, before we start any recipe, the first thing we have to do is wash our hands. So for this recipe, I've already taken care of that. I've washed my hands for 20 seconds with warm water and soap. So that's already taken care of. So the ingredients for our strawberry s'mores are only 3 ingredients. So first of all, we have a graham cracker that has been broken in half. We have 2 tablespoons of low-fat yogurt, and then we have 2 strawberries that I've already washed. So whenever we take our graham cracker, we just simply break it in 2 like this. It's just 1 sheet of graham cracker. We break it in 2. So I'm going to take the graham cracker and I'm going to take one of the halves and I'm going to place it down on my cutting board like so. And then I'm going to take a little bit of our yogurt and I'm going to spread it over our graham cracker, just kind of like this, kind of like you're icing a graham cracker. So I just spread it evenly over there, kind of like that. And then I take our strawberries. Well, I haven't sliced our strawberries yet. I have capped them. I washed them and I capped them. I took the green part off. But in order to slice them, I'm going to put them down on our cutting board and I'm going to cut it in half. And then you have 2 halves that the backs are rounded. So we're going to put those flat halves down on our cutting board. And we're going to just simply slice the strawberry. And we're going to place it on our graham cracker like so. I'm going to slice the other half of this. These strawberries are very big, so I think I just need 1 strawberry for this strawberry s'more. We'll have a very thick strawberry s'more. So I place the strawberry like so, and then I take the other half of the graham cracker and I just put it on top of the strawberries. So then I'm going to put it on a plate and I'll show you what it looks like. It just kind of looks like a s'more you might have by the campfire, but it's more nutritious. It has strawberries, which have a lot of vitamin C and fiber in the seeds. The graham cracker is very low fat and low in sugar, which I'm sure your parents will appreciate, and then the low fat yogurt. So we have really more food groups here. We have the fruit group, the dairy group, and then the grain group. So it's a snack that you have 3 of your major food groups. So after you make your strawberry s'more, you just simply enjoy. So thank you very much.